Hello there. This is Josh, and this is the very first episode of Boredom Kills. Boredom Kills, as you can see at the title at the very top of the YouTube video. Please subscribe. And, yeah, so the very first episode consists of me doing boring stuff, and the boring stuff was given to me by Austin. And he's inside at the moment. Okay, we'll be back when he comes outside. Good. So yeah, that was Austin and random person. So basically what the idea was is we're gonna do random things like spit takes and random sounds. Austin will do a quartet of animal noises, and that's basically the whole episode, so enjoy or be dead. Hey, Austin.
Yeah?
You know that chicken I gave you the other day?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was actually a baby turtle.
What?
And that, folks, was a spit take. Let's see that again. Yeah, interesting how that works. Well, let's move on. Okay, so yeah, that was the spit takes, and now next is animal sounds.
Woo!
Perfect. People will be perfect at this is one, Austin. He's gonna be good at that.
Oh, I want to be
And
part of it. I want to be part of it. Oh, choose me. Pick me. Pick me. I want to be part of it.
yeah, you can be part of it. Yes, this is really boring, isn't it? I hope I'm boring you all. Okay, so, and here, she will do another one too.
Look at the fatty.
Her name is Abby, and
It's upside down.
yes, it's upside down. Okay, so this is Austin doing animal sounds. Close up.
Can you guess what this animal is? To be exact, it's a bird.
So, what kind of bird is that, to be exact? Is it
A.
a blue jay,
B.
a Morgan,
C.
or an Abby?
D. Is there a D?
So, that was the first episode of Boredom Kills. I hope I bored you all to death. Thank you for having me. This is
Don't look at me.
You made it funny.
Oh, my way.
Turtle juice.
You like turtle
Let's just have something with turtle in it, okay?
Something with turtle.
Throw my turtle.
I gave you turtle fat.
Oh, I know.
Random.
Bookcase.
I am recording.
Look, touchscreen bookcase.
I just love watching that.
Oh.